Alright, so this video is going to be on how to configure the image element. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus button and look for the image element, which is right here. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to open up this upload image box. And right here on the left, you can click on select media to add an image. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to select my image. I'm going to hit use this image. And then the next option, this is the image size. And so this isn't the image size of like the actual element. It's the size of the quality of the image. So if you do thumbnail, it's going to be very bad quality because thumbnail is meant to be very small, like that. It's supposed to save space and be less and load faster if it's very small. But if it's one of your main images, you can either leave it at normal, it'll look okay, large, it's a little bit better quality, and then original, this is the highest quality of the image, but it does take the longest to load on a website. So right here is the width of the image, so you can change the width of the image right here. You can change the height. So if I do 1:1, it's going to be a square, or I can increase or decrease this height. And then Lightbox is, if you enable this, when someone clicks on this image, it'll open up and display a zoomed in version or a large image across the whole website. So the caption, you can turn on the caption. So if you do have a caption on the image, you can display it here. Right here, an image overlay. If you want to make it a little bit darker, you can put a black overlay with some slight opacity, or you can make this any color really. You can change what happens when you hover over the image, so you can set it to blur when you hover over it if you would like. You can set another hover effect. You can put depth or a shadow on the image. You can do a parallax, so as you scroll it's gonna change and move. And then lastly, you can put a link to it, so whenever someone clicks on the image, it's actually gonna go to the link that you select here. So if I do google.com, whenever someone clicks on this image, it's going to go to google.com. Alright, if you have any questions about an image or any other questions that you want to ask, go ahead and let us know and we'll be able to help. And thank you for watching.